Alright. The car trailer rebuild is on hold right now. Waiting on some parts to show up. We got 2/3 of what I need. Just waiting on the other third. I got this guy sold, so I gotta finish that one of these days. This thing, I'm trying to figure out how I want to mount a couple things. So that's on hold. I gotta get those rear tires swapped out for some other ones. So instead, I'm working on this thing. This is cheap. This just takes time. You guys remember from one of the past videos, there's a bunch of cracks in the car body. So yesterday I cut out some of their reinforcing plates. On one side of this. Now I got to cut them out on the other side. Did a bunch of grinding when I was under there too, on what would be the driver's side. So, cut out all the reinforcing patches I had on there. Found a bunch of hidden cracks and a bunch of goobered on weld. This crack right on the edge of the plate. Goes from here all the way up. Ground and cut that out all the way down. And there's still some more cracks I gotta fix. I gotta grind that back down. There's just a lot of half-hearted attempts at fixing stuff underneath here, and they didn't do a very good job of it. Get that ground flat. I gotta do some more grinding and grind back into the crack. Open this side up like I did on that side. Clean all the old goobered on stuff off. I'll slide back here to the front. Not a lot of room under here. So I got that crack opened up. There's another one. You guys could see that coming from the hole out at an angle. That's got to get fixed. I got to finish cutting this plate out and the one on the other side. So I'm going to be doing that today. If everything goes well, I'll finish feed grinding this out, put the root in, and then get after it with some 7018. Now this car body is fully fabricated, so there's no special welding rod for this. It'll just be 7018. And there's that one cut out. So I guess it's grind time now. I suppose they'll bring you guys back after I get this ground up, because as you can probably tell, there's not a lot of room under here. Finish cutting some of this apart too. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I got got this side all ground out, the cracks I found. Two there. Couple there. Another nice one there. Already showed you guys that one. So a lot of people just want to grind real lightly on the top. You can't do that. You got to cut all the way through that crack and extend it beyond where it you think it stops. That's going to be fun filling that in, but we'll get it. So I'm going to goober some stuff on up in here to tie all this back together, and I'll do this one first. And I'll see about filling that in. And then I'll do the long one all the way down. I don't want this plate warping too much back and forth. So ground down the old welds that were up here, and what I'll do is I'll start over here and I'll just wrap it all the way around. Probably at least 3 if not 4 passes. Cover that up, and then when I weld this, I'll bring that up and into there. Same thing, I'll bring this one up and around. Grind some of it down. Haven't ground that side yet. I'll get to it though. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I'll get back on that thing here in the next day or so. Put a 7018 cap on it, filled everything in. So now I got to grind it all down and then move on to the other side, which I'm not going to film that because you already saw this side. After that's going to end up being the rotary valve. That needs to be pulled apart, rebuilt, some things straightened out on it. Draining water out of the hydraulic system. It's been sitting all winter, hasn't been used. So that'll take care of that issue. And then I can top it off with 165 gallons of hydraulic oil. And I've got to finish replacing the broken turntable bolts. I think I've got 16 to go, which is half of what's in there. Got a couple ideas how to fix that, and we'll see what happens with it. But as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Till the next time, see you guys later.